I'm Eloise. In this clip, I will be showing you how to make personalized stationery. I started out by cutting a picture out of a magazine, or you can get them out of newspaper, or a lot of cards that you have around the house you can take pictures from. In this case, I'm going to write a lady a letter, so I chose pink roses. And I cut the picture out and took my glue stick and glued the back of that. I added it up into the corner of this paper. You can add whatever picture that you choose. You might want to do it up in this corner and maybe a little bit here. It just depends on what picture that you make and how you want your personal design to be. So I take that and adhere that. Then I'm going to put that in the scanner. Then I chose some marble paper that I want to add to that to kind of embellish the look to it. And you can scan that or copy that, whichever you have in your home, and transfer that picture onto the marble paper. Now we have our finished stationery. You can hand write a letter on your stationery, and the nice thing about this now, you have your stationery printed and you can make as many copies as you would like, and you have the same stationery. Like I said, you can hand write it. I'm going to choose to write my letter on the computer and print it out onto my stationery. So I'll just go to the computer and type out my letter. Then I'm going to print it out onto my stationery, and I will end up with my letter looking like this.